Hi, welcome back to Tumizi itiye elishisa be kodwa alifuni ukuthi uliphuze uhamba ngoba uzogcina usha. Lifuna uhlale phansi uzokwazi ukul-enjoya and ngiyathemba ukuthi uzoyi-enjoya le video. Let's talk about uSiyabonga Shiye. So Siyabonga Shibe was at Bryanston with his friends. Probably they were just chilling beziphuzela kumnandi, you know the vibes. Wafika abogela abayi-3 babajoyina baqoqa kwabamnandi bahlala nabo. Kanti abogela mebelokwe bayaphuza bona bathela something phakathi kwama-drinks wabo. Laba bathi 1 2 3 bayaphuza kumnandi phela. Apho uDJ ushaya ingoma ilakhala ipiano liyakokota and babathi papara bayithola seba-drowsy bayitshela ukuthi yazini ngqonisa emotweni mabafika emotweni bayalala abogeli bathi bathatha wena phone wena laptop. The things that they took unfortunately amounted to 37,000 rand if I'm not mistaken. Bebevuka bathi wena phone babathi laptop nowhere to be found, and then they remember ukuthi ila mantombazana besiphuzana. And so they opened a case. The police are trying to investigate the syndicate of the matter ukuthi kahle yini bathumelwe noma bazizele nokuthi yini engakabe bayifuna nokuthi abobanzi usabo vibes, you know, police investigations. Do I think they'll find a girl? Obviously, if they can go to the club and ask for that CCTV footage, it's easy to find them. And then uNoda was like, indoda elingana noSiyabonga Shibe babamthathela ifone baze bamspike. He deserves it. That is Noda. One thing about Noda doesn't sugarcoat. Unoda kanandaba nokuthi uthini, he will speak his truth and say it like it is. And it's like bokumele ukuthi ngalesikhathi uhleli nomfazi wakhe nabantwana, and people were like, wena Noda, you're the last person to speak because kwayena loyo mfazi awunaye kwalabo bantwana, you don't have those things, so why are you judging someone osifanele nawe? I mean naye musi manje uziphathele i2K, so obviously he's going to clubs, he has enjoyed, so why is he surprised maybe when uSiyabonga Shibe seclubini? Because I think he has problems or he's divorced. Angazi, was he not the one that was married to Nolwazi Shanya, unless I'm mistaken? Because if it's that one, if it's him, then it means that he is a divorce. So he's probably looking for the next Mrs. Shibe. So yeah, I'm we're like, I naimdala for those type of vibes. I mean, my question is, what if those girls didn't ask to come and join them? What if they are the ones who was funele abogel but babona mantombazana amahle bagqokile, hey zikhipha asayilaba samba nabo? And unfortunately, girls these days are so smart. Girls these days are criminals, they are thugs. You must be careful when going to a club. Ungavele uthathe na ngoba one day niyozithola nje niseyitratini bathatha imoto yazini. Hey, be careful. Thanks for watching till this far. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the next tip that I'm about to drop. See you next time. Bye.